Alright, so we want to carve our notch into our socket. Again, we want that to come to be 1/8 of the overall socket and just shy of center. What I think is really important about this is carving it and carving it well, but also carving it safely. So I really want to avoid any sort of back cuts towards my hand. When I start to carve, this isn't necessary, and it's really an old ingrained habit of mine, but I just like to make a guideline that says this is center. Otherwise, the motto is corner, 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 corner. So a couple of things here, right? I am removing the corners first because it's the easiest to remove where there are ridge lines. I'm using short, deep, powerful strokes in that I only need to go so far, and I'm using the back of my thumbs. And so I'm using both thumbs on the back of my knife, and I'm doing it in a controlled way that I'm not just swinging out and removing the wall on the other face. So corner, 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 corner is the motto. And we just pop those out. And then you can dig out the center, center, center. Right? So I've chewed into that, and I'm going to repeat. Corner, 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 and then I'll pop out the center. So notice that I am constantly rotating the board so that I don't have to cut towards myself. Occasionally I'll make little cleanup cuts just to make sure that those walls are looking good. Give it an overall view. Get a sense of what that 1/8 of the socket is. So, clean walls, 1/8 of the circle, just shy of center. It's tempting to start on the ends of your board, and it makes carving really difficult. So do yourself a favor, start right in the middle of your board. So here's my socket, here's my notch, 1/8 of the pie, just shy of center. I've got a nice wall here. This is looking pretty good. I'm feeling like set up for success here.